Hello everyone! Today I will make this 4-leaf clover earring. This earring is made by connecting the pearl and the diamond of the 4-leaf clover. You can find the tutorial of 4-leaf clover and the diamond of the 4-leaf clover in the description. In this video, let's see how to connect them together. Then add the earring. The circle of the earring is also 10 millimeters. Pearl is 6 millimeters. Pearl is 2 millimeters. Diamond is 10 millimeters. Pass through the middle bead first. Add 6 millimeters pearl. Pass through the bead in the middle. Cut a bead. Make a circle in the same way. After making a circle, knot it. Do you like this tutorial? Leave a comment. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this beautiful earrings tutorial. Now these earrings are ready. I hope you enjoyed it. Take care. Bye.